What's up, YouTube fam? It's Dark Angel's Journey. I'm Shakira. All right, let's see what we got going on today. Didn't get any trades yesterday, not because I didn't see anything juicy. I was just I wasn't too slow. They didn't come and tap my limit order. I'll show you guys in a second. It was a beautiful setup for a nice short, but didn't tap me in. So it's got me thinking like maybe I need to be a little bit more aggressive about where I put my entries. I don't know. We'll see. Because I'm finding I keep missing things, not because, my setup's not great. I just don't get tagged. Let's first things first. It's May 13th. Let's take a look at the news. So, PPI should have just come out. So let's see what that did for us. So this was yesterday. And we're still above this daily fair value gap. I am still bullish, although yesterday Gate told me very clearly that shorts were absolutely on the table. I missed my short here where I wanted to just take it to the base of this and I didn't get tagged in. Okay, so for right now, we've got a 4-hour order block right here, a propulsion block right here, and we're tapping into this 4-hour fair value gap. I'm going to ignore that one for the time being because I want to focus on the daily fair value gap that's here. All right, and we've not gone for all-time highs, but we have very aggressively since the PM been moving up. All right, let's go to the 1 hour. So I pull back into the 1 hour order block is what's happening right now off of that. And my preference today for longs, if we stay above the midpoint like we did here and then pull up, that would be awesome. So that seems to be happening now. So we'll see what happens after 9:45, which is when I'll be clear to start trading. 9:45, 10-ish, I like to wait for the hour to close, especially if it's like if that hour's candle is closing in contrary to what my bias is for the day. So like this hour's candle is very bearish so far, but it's still got like 23 minutes left in it. So we'll see. And let's go to the 15 minutes. So for right now, everything is bullish. The 15-minute is just now turning a little bearish from this candle. Where's London lows? I think that's already been swept out. Yep, that swept it out. And then Asia. Yeah, Asia's right down here for its lows. So we'll see what happens. So let me show you so there are two trade ideas and I didn't take, I had two trade ideas yesterday and I missed the first one. So for the short, I was looking for, so this is like a 5-minute fair value gap up in here. So I was looking for them to pull back up into it. Beautiful. They did. They did it here. But as I've learned, I didn't get the type of pullback I needed. So this is very indecisive. That closed very bullish. So it decided they wanted to go up. So they went up. Tapped into it more, swept that out, and then shifted here. So I set my order right here. As you can see, they never came back to tap me in and then just kind of ran off. So I'm wondering if I should just, even if I put it at the top of the fair value gap there, it still wouldn't have saved me. And I missed all of this juicy run. So yeah. On a secondary consideration, so in the PM, as I was watching them climb back up into here, and I love these, like for trades, this tiny little break right here. I was like, oh, it'd be great if I, took a long there. And no joke, they just tapped it and then just started taking off. So no trades yesterday, but that's all right. For now, we are seeing the news bring price into a bit of a correction. Honestly, I don't want to see it take this protected low out. If we break below here, then I'll be expecting that daily extreme and the previous day's low right here to get taken out. So let's note that. And they've already taken out Asia and London with those news candles. So we'll see what we got. Honestly, from what we're looking here, so this previous day low, let's just note that. They basically made like equal highs up here with this level right here, and they've swept out everybody who, these guys, they swept everybody who had stops out, and then they're dropping. So I'm still bullish. I'm waiting for this nice correction. Honestly, what is this? Like, oh, sorry, this is Asia. So if they decide to sweep Asia lows and then come back up with a nice aggressive pushback up like we see here, we'll look for longs. For now, it's just a wait and see, because that was a pretty aggressive push in the PM during Asia and then during London, and now we're sort of correcting. So we'll see how it goes. Be good, be safe. Shakira out.